set of 2 fine porcelain pie birds. Includes 1 black and 1 white. Place bird in center of pie before baking to prevent cracked crusts and dripovers. During baking, steam escapes through the bird's mouth to eliminate cracked crusts and dripovers. Dishwasher safe. Place these pie birds from R&M International in center of your pies before baking to prevent cracked crusts and dripovers. During baking, steam escapes through the bird's mouth. R&M International is a worldwide supplier of high-quality cookie cutters, numerous kitchen gadgets, and affordable cooking and baking products. Since 1993, we have shared recipes, tips, and other resources to help people make long-lasting memories in the kitchen. More than baking, memory making. Top reviews from the United States. Pie proud. I make a lot of pies. I inherited the mantle, pie lady, after my Aunt Agnes passed away. As she lived with us for the last few years of her incredible life, it fell to me to carry on this long-standing family tradition. Good thing I like eating pies. But, I was never able to present a perfect pie. No matter how many vents or pretty cutouts, leaves, seasonal characters, various fruit shapes, I used the crusts always cracked and the juices always bubbled over. After seeing an episode of Alton Brown's Good Eats, I started looking for a pie bird. Thank you Amazon Foot, always having what I need grin. Yesterday the first pie using the bird came out of the oven and it was perfect. I swear, it could have been on a magazine cover. It was almost too pretty to eat. Nah. Yes, like a proud mama I took pics. These little critters work.